So proud of this letter. And actually, this is the letter right here. If you guys are able to see it, it's right here. And so this, and I keep it on my desk. I just look at it every day. But this letter, what I do is every year, I basically ask ClickBank. I'm like, hey, how are my students that are, kind of using my system and my setup? Like, how are they doing? Because for me, as a coach, as someone that wants to help people succeed, I kind of want to have that barometer, right? Where it's like, did they have a good year? Did they not have a good year? Like, how can we fix it? And so,
Hey guys, Carl here at the Great Wall of China. Beautiful place. It's cold as hell. But I just want to say that, if you're struggling at your job, you're looking to replace your salary, you need to be working online, get your internet marketing business. I'll help you anywhere I can, give you all the information I've accumulated all these years. Talk to you soon.
I kind of did my normal thing this earlier this year on asking them, and they came back with the letter, and I was honestly, I was blown away. I knew that my students are doing pretty good, but I didn't realize they were doing that good, right? Because it's just crazy. Because about a year prior, the number was about half of what the 87 million was, right? So it's crazy to see in just that 1 year period how much my students are earning, and I'm very, very proud of that. And for me, that's everything. Like my success, I could care less about. It's the student success that gets me up in the morning. So it's cool. It's very cool.